Kelis. More Kelis. What the heck happened to Kelis? And do her milkshakes still bring all the boys to the yard? The best Kelis albums, ranked 359 of 383 the greatest musical artists of the 90s. Eve. Mary J. Blige. Jordin Sparks. P and K. P and K. Evan Rachel Ward. Rooney Mara. More Rooney Mara. 80 of 90. Who is the coolest actor in the world right now? 155 of 349. The best American actresses working today. 108 of 222. The best actresses working today. Kesha. More Kesha. The best songs feat. Kesha. 620 of 739. The best singers of all time. 40 of 198. The greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years. Kelly Clarkson. Demi Lovato. Demi Lovato. Rumer Willis. Rumer Willis. Nicole Richie. Nicole Richie. Joss Stone. More Joss Stone. The best Joss Stone albums of all time. 259 of 603. The best rock vocalists. 19 of 198. The greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years. Christina Aguilera. Christina Aguilera. Alyssa Milano. Alyssa Milano. Miley Cyrus.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.